Fadnavis pressured me to sign false affidavits, says Anil Deshmukh. Deshmukh claims Fadnavis sought false allegations against Thackeray's. Shiv Sena MPs support Deshmukh's allegations. NCP SCP leader Anil Deshmukh has made serious allegations against BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis, claiming that he was pressured to make false statements against prominent Maharashtra politicians, including Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray and Ajit Pawar. Deshmukh asserted he has video recordings to substantiate his claims and is prepared to reveal them if challenged. Deshmukh detailed an incident from 3 years ago when he said Fadnavis sent a man to him with 4 affidavits, urging him to accuse Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar in writing. Fadnavis allegedly assured him that signing these affidavits would prevent ED and CBI actions against him. Deshmukh claimed he refused, even if it meant facing jail for life, and believes this refusal led to the subsequent ED and CBI actions against him. He also alleged he was asked to falsely accuse Aditya Thackeray of raping Disha Salian and throwing her from a balcony.
फंडिस ने 3 साल पहले मेरे ऊपर दबाव लाया था केंद्र शासन के जरिए मेरे ऊपर दबाव लाके देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने मुझे उस वक्त उद्धव जी ठाकरे के खिलाफ में एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था, आदित्य ठाकरे के खिलाफ में झूठा एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था, अजीत पवार के खिलाफ झूठा एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था। उसका कल मैंने बयान सब माध्यम को दिया है। और जो मैंने देवेंद्र फडणवीस के ऊपर आरोप लगाया था कि उन्होंने मुझे झूठे आरोप में फंसाया और हमारे सब नेता के ऊपर आरोप करने के लिए मुझके ऊपर दबाव डाला था, एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था, उसका सभी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग मेरे पास में है। ये पेन ड्राइव है, कोई मुझे चैलेंज करेगा तो मैं ये पेन ड्राइव के जरिए मैं पूरा उसका खुलासा करूंगा।
Reacting to Deshmukh's claims, Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi supported him, saying he revealed this because he was jailed under the garb of an ED-IT investigation. She criticized BJP's approach, accusing them of attempting to character assassinate Aditya Thackeray and filing false cases, describing these as indicative of BJP's low tactics.
What he has revealed is that because he was put in jail without any charge sheet himself, under some ED-IT, under the garb of ED-IT investigation, to get bail, the bail condition was that he should implicate others in crimes which they haven't done, fake narratives. They've tried to character assassinate Shri Aditya Thakereji's personality and his leadership. What does it speak of Mr. Devendra Fadnavis? Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, who tries to build a narrative of how he's a visionary and he looks towards development and how concerned he is about Maharashtra, what it has exposed, these statements. And these statements need to be taken seriously because Anil Deshmukh ji has suffered the consequences of BJP's vendetta politics. And he stands exposed, his mask comes off and shows that for the desperation of power, they can fall to any levels. I will continue to say, you can have political differences. And in political differences, you can fight us on the streets, you can fight us in the parliament, you can fight us in the assembly. You can go convince the people of the state that what is happening is incorrect. But to character assassinate, to fall to the lowest levels of trying to file cases which do not exist, just goes to show how low BJP can go.
Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Rauch also backed Deshmukh, stating that he was jailed as part of a conspiracy and pressured to implicate Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar and Aditya. Rauch recounted that Deshmukh told him about this when they both were in jail 2 years ago, asserting there is truth in Deshmukh's allegations and suggesting the BJP is capable of such actions.
में भेजने से पहले उनके ऊपर दबाव आया था कि जो हम बोलेंगे वो करो। उद्धव ठाकरे जी का नाम लो, शरद पवार जी का नाम लो, किसी केस में आदित्य जी का लो, नहीं तो आपके पीछे ईडी लगाएंगे और जेल में भेजेंगे। ये बात जब मैं जेल में था, देशमुख साहब भी जेल में थे, तब उसने मुझे बताई थी 2 साल पहले। और बाद में भी ये बहुत बार सार्वजनिक मंच पर ये बात उसने कही है। बीजेपी इस प्रकार की हरकत कर सकती है।
News Desk reports Such the Reality.